My name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me Spice Dawn. And that is Spice Colin behind the camera. Now, I want to show you something that has made my life so much easier for my birding, gardening, outdoor patio living kind of life. Now, my hose is in one of these little colanders. Okay, that's from redgorilla.com. Just like this little bucket, many different sizes. I did a video on these as well. Very handy. I use them for everything. Well, the reason I keep this one over here and not with the other ones over there is because when I clean my bird bath, sometimes when I rinse it and I go to refill it, if you try to refill it with the hose, the water just zips right out. You don't want to be standing there all day on trickle. So I'll put the down inside the bucket, let it fill, and then just fill the bird bath with the little trug tub, Red Gorilla bucket. Now, to keep it from blowing away or trapping water, which could cause mosquitoes to breed, I put this little stick in the ground. Check this out, just right over that. Like, how easy is that? Now, I have some tools in my arsenal here. This is my scrub stuff over here that is dirty. Squirt, 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 rinsey, rinsey. I scrub the top of my bird seed container because that's just gross. You know, like birds are you can keep it clean once a week or so. You have one of these very well used. Okay, now I also have a brush because sometimes you need a brush for something. I have this little scoop for seed holes. Now, I found a bigger one that was a sand shovel, but this is called pufferfish, and it is a very sturdy scoop. Also good for scraping dove poop off of the feeder. Now, let me show you this. This right here, danged handy. A little plastic putty knife.
I used to have one just like that.
This was yours. But this is, again, fantastic for popping off the dove poop or the little bird poop thing. It's just like so much easier to like just pop that off. And another one of my pokey things, in case I need to poke something or get down inside something or need something thin. And it's all kept conveniently in this thing, which is a hose bib thing. Hose holder.
Basket.
And it has these, like, we don't use it for this anymore because the type of hoses we use would fall through the cracks. But geez, it's so handy, and I stick my little putty knife in there. Nothing traps water. Like, it's just the handiest thing. And it looks better, I think, than some kind of container, and it's easy to get to, and things dry out. It's just pretty nice. So I have a Facebook page called Spice Dawn Tips to Share, and if this video helped you, feel free to share it. Bye.